Strike. Last ball, previous over. Was nicely played by Navraj, just coming down the track, picking up the length very quickly, going straight down the ground, over the bowler's head. Good strike. Exactly what he's known for.
Absolutely, Vijay. Absolutely from Hans clearing it off. Absolutely straight back. Very powerful personality, Navraj Hans. See what Digant, the new bowler for Karnataka Bulldozers, what Digant has to do.
ये वाइड होनी चाहिए, दिशा से भड़कते हुए, और अपने कप्तान को भी कह रहे हैं कि जल्दी वापस दीजिए बॉल पर। अभी भी इस मुकाबले में काफी रोमांच बाकी, कुछ भी हो सकता है। थोड़ी बातचीत करते हुए यहाँ पे अब सुदीप थोड़े खुश नजर आ रहे हैं, थोड़ी बातचीत करते हैं एम्पायर के साथ। क्या वो वाइड को लेके?
मेरे को लगता है वो पूछना चाह रहे हैं कि थाई पैड पे लग के गए या वाइड है था। That's the way of checking with the umpire whether he can do it. But Digant, yesterday also he started off with a white, today also started off with a white, no different.
जी हाँ बिल्कुल, और चेहरों पे आप चिंता देखिए, कुछ भी हो सकता है इस मुकाबले में। 35-12 गेंदों में शुरुआत, जैसे आपने कहा, दिगंत के लिए इतनी बढ़िया नहीं, वाइड के साथ कल भी यही किया था।
Airandita Ray, the famous actress from Karnataka, and we can see the crowd cheering for her. People have come all over the place in Karnataka, nearby Hyderabad cities, to cheer the Karnataka Bulldozer stars on the ground, off the ground as well.
टाइम नहीं कर पाए, पर फिर भी एक रन और लगा। डायरेक्ट हिट, करीबी मामला हो सकता था। वापस जाते हुए ये रन आउट होगा, ये मुश्किल है। गलती करी, गलत निर्णय लिया, और सुदीप बहुत खुश। ज्यादा प्रयास कर बैठे, जानते कि ज्यादा गेंदे नहीं है, हर रन मकबूल है। वापस आते हुए पर क्रीज से काफी दूर रह गए।
Absolutely not necessary. This run was overthrow, and Maggie who threw the ball into the captain's gloves. An easy dismissal. Digant all happy. That's an important wicket. Raja कुछ कर सकता तो यहीं पे, he could have done that, but I got 2 runs only, 92 for 5.
नए बैट्समैन आए सोहेल खान मुंबई हीरोज के लिए। जैसी अंदर आए, गले लगे सुदीप के। एक का बहुत जबरदस्त था, यहाँ पे मिलन हुआ है दूसरे कप्तान के साथ, और अब तैयार है स्ट्राइक में सोहेल खान। क्या करेंगे बल्ले के साथ? क्रॉस लाइन खेलने का प्रयास, और बढ़िया गेंदबाजी, बहुत बढ़िया, लेंथ अच्छी है। और देखिए क्या हुआ था, जैसे अंदर आए पहले वो मुस्कान, फिर गले लगे, और अब ये पुराना प्यार नजर आता है।
Absolutely, Ajay. When two cricketers meet, we could see the same feelings. When two actors meet, the same feelings.
पर मैं बताऊं, क्रिकेटर्स जब ग्राउंड में मिलते हैं ना और विपक्षी टीमों में हो, तो गले नहीं लगेंगे, आप बाहर लगेंगे।
Absolutely. I mean, that's a mutual respect which we have to appreciate that. Digant, Navraj Hans, on the line. Picks up by Rajiv. Straight into the hands. I think it was a good catch from Rajiv.
Well, the catching has been very good, very sharp from the Bulldozers. That's the reason they are back. Saw that catching from Pardeep earlier on. Now it's Rajiv. Navraj Hans as well. Another wicket falling. It's a good striker going for the big one. That was exactly what they wanted. Some runs here. Just that catch near the skirting, near the boundary line. They are so very happy. Another important wicket falling, the sixth one for the Heroes. Navraj Hans walking back for 9 of 6 deliveries. It's 93 for 6. So Sohail is going to be on strike for the first time, but what an over from Digant. He's done a very good job. Things looking tougher and tougher for the Heroes. 33 of 9 deliveries. At one stage they were really cruising, had a fantastic partnership early on. 78 for 1 and just losing their way then. Oh, that's knocked. That's the end. The bails have fallen. He knows it. Sohail Khan just looking back and then realizing. Playing across the line. Another wicket falling here for the Heroes. They are in big trouble.
Absolutely, Ajay. Sohail Khan trying to hit or trying to get a maximum runs. In the bargain, he lost his wicket to Digant. You can see Digant holding the ball across the seam, slightly rolling on the finger. Hit the tip of the bail. Absolutely, an important wicket for Karnataka Bulldozers. And Deva all excited with his drums.
Yeah, he's been very busy. Deba, Sohail Khan out without scoring. It's 93 for 7. The captain comes in for the Heroes. The team looking down the barrel in deep trouble at the moment. 93 for 7. Just limping to the crease, Varun Badola. And exactly what happened early on when they were fielding. Hans and Varun Badola just knocking into each other. His knee was hurt and that's the reason he's just limping when he came to the crease, Varun Badola. He's a good batsman, he's a decent batsman, normally bats up the order, but probably because of the injuries come lower down. Oh, going down the leg side. Optimistic appeal by the bowler, but the umpire not impressed, he's unmoved.
Absolutely, Ajay. We saw that incident in the first half, and here he has come with a help runner and hitting on the first ball on the knee. Digant was spot on.
मनोज अब स्ट्राइक लेते हुए, मनोज बिडवई अब स्ट्राइक पे. मुश्किल बहुत है, ये राह बहुत कठिन नजर आ रही है. बुलडोजर्स ने जो वापसी करी है, जो विकेट लिए हैं, दबाव डाला है, और वो जो बुलडोजर्स के फ्लैग्स हैं आप देख रहे हैं, जो समर्थक आए हैं काफी खुश. ड्राइव करते हुए अपना खाता खोला, केवल एक रन मिलेगा. फील्डिंग बहुत बढ़िया रही है, बहुत उम्दा. और यहां पे मुश्किल में और वापस आने दिया. चलिए ओवर की समाप्ति 95 पे 7. the hero's batting card. Saqib and Jay had a wonderful partnership for the opening wicket, 77 for no loss. And just see after that, it's like a telephone.